إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر
ওই সামনে যান বক্তব্য দিও তো
এখান থেকে গেল আমার তো একটা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ পুরোটাই লিখছি বাচ্চা সহ নিচ্ছি আর 5-7টা নিচ্ছি আপনার যেটা লাগিয়ে লাগে
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear respected brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid Mubarak. We welcome all of you this newly constructed place. You see that it is under construction. So in this regard, you all of you coming, I welcome of you. Alhamdulillah. সম্মানিত ভাইরা, আমরা জানি যে আমরা নতুন একটা ইসলামিক সেন্টার করতে যাচ্ছি। সেখানে নির্মাণাধীন অবস্থায় যে আপনারা আসছেন সেটা আপনাদের ধন্যবাদ এবং মোবারকবাদ। আপনাদের সবাইকে ঈদ মোবারক এবং আজকে আসার জন্য আমরা সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। Respected brothers and sisters, sisters not here anywhere. We have two imam that came from New York, Hafiz Mirza Junaid Beg Azhari here, and also Abdurrahman Malik Madani also here. They came from New York. They are young scholar. They're going to lead the salat today, inshallah. We're hoping we're going to have a two jamaat. One very shortly we started, and second jamaat right after that we start second jamaat. First jamaat is led by Hafiz Mirza Junaid Beg Azhari. So very shortly we're going to start it, inshallah. We declared our jamaat is going to be 8:30, but unfortunately a lot of brothers call us and there is a construction going on Route 40, so it's jammed. A lot of brothers is on the way still, so we make a little delay. We apologize for this reason. Please take it easy and forgive us our limitation. Dear brothers, you know that in Atlantic City area there is no Hafzul Quran program. Not here, especially close whole area. If you want to, teach a Hafzul Quran, we need to go far away, New York or Buffalo or somewhere else. That whole community feel we need some education like a Hafzul Quran or full-time madrasa in this area. By that way, beside our regular education, we can teach our kids and next generation, by the touch of Quran, and we can make them opportunity to memorize the Quran. In this regard, this center is thinking to build it up. But when we started, without masjid is very tough to handle this kind of program. That's why we decide at the same time it is a complex. This is the masjid, the mosque. You see here, downstairs, this is the area you saw, designated area, the flooring we did it. This is the masala area for the first floor. This is a 3-story building, inshallah. The second floor is dedicated for Islamic community service. In this area, you need any marriage অনুষ্ঠান or any other program you want to do it, but it's very tough. You don't have no place. So community needs some place to conduct that kind of things, like a marriage, akika. You have a guest coming, 60, 70 or 80 people. There's no place. You need to hire some place. This, for the community service, we need it. Any program, our family programs, how you have a gathering family, you invite 50 people, how you go? You go some other places. This is not Islamically motivated. So we need something like that for community service. And also, our kids, they go to school. They need to support math and science. There is no tutoring system in here. We need a service for our next generation kids. So we have a preschool program provided here, inshallah. We especially focus on math and science program. We try to teach them to build up our next generation. Suppose some kids come afternoon, we teach them math and science, they can play here. In the meantime, they make Asr prayer and Maghrib prayer, and we teach them little bit in Islamic background, Islamic, cultural and some history. By the way, they are oriented Islamically, and at the same time, they also benefited in their regular education way. Another program, a lot of students go, after the high school, they like to go to college. There is no support there. If we provide SED or that kind of program here, inshallah, they will benefit it, and our kids can go to the best school and college. There are many of that kind of things we need an Islamic social service team, because Islam teaches us provide the service first. If you don't provide the service, if we talk and talk, our kids, they don't hear, they don't listen. They need, what we do, they need action. Without action, if we're talking, no siya, they don't take it. If you give them a service, they will recognize after they will grow up, this is the place Muslim brothers help us to build up my career. They will take care more and more, they will affiliate more in Islamic culture and Islamic welfare activity. That's why we think we have an obligation, we have our own duty to build up our next generation. That's why this center for inshallah. And third floor, this building is dedicated for Hafzul Quran program. First floor is described the masjid, second floor is Islamic activities, all kind of social activity, and third floor is dedicated for Hafzul Quran program, inshallah. So we don't set up how the program is full-time or part-time. Maybe after school program we ended up with less to know detail when we're going to study at the Hafzul Quran program. We're hoping, inshallah, by this year we can finish everything, and next year, before the school session started, we can start the Hafzul Quran program, inshallah, here. So to this all kind of program, we can perform and we can make it perfect if you brothers help us mentally, physically, and morally, and also financially. This is the time to help. This is the time to get together each other. If we get together each other strongly, doesn't matter who you believe, doesn't matter who you belong. It's not important. Important is action we need to do, we need to support our community. It's not anything personal. You think, okay, this is the brother I like, this is the brother I don't like, doesn't matter. Like the activity. Take your responsibility, by the way, you can build up our generation. So we need to have the support. If we make a mistake, we are open-minded. Anytime, you can draw attention. Brothers, this and this need to be done, is not going to be done. But this way need to be done, that way need to be done. We are always ready to accept your criticize, accept your advice, and your experience. So, whoever can help us financially, alhamdulillah. Whoever help us support, alhamdulillah. Whoever can help us by good advice, alhamdulillah. By that way, we can build our community good and better. This one program, inshallah, here. And second, one other program, we started already, a graveyard program. In this whole area, there is no Muslim graveyard in here. There is one graveyard we go, Marmora, is mixed. So the Christian and Muslim is mixed. But we feel we need a separate Muslim cemetery. In this regard, we buy 7 acres of land in the corner of Fire Road and Washington Avenue. Just 3 or 4 miles away from here, very short distance, is in Agaba Township, just next to the Pleasantville. First phase, we got a permission 4001 gravesite. This name is Muslim Cemetery of Fort County. That is the name is going to be. And he's already approved everything. We think we're going to start construction work right after the Eid. This month we're going to start, inshallah, the construction work over there. We need to clean up everything. We need to make a road. There is small building facility. We're going to build it up because we go graveyard. There is no place to do namaz or take a rest. We have a building there, inshallah. When you go gravesite, we have women area, men area, Urdu area will be there, inshallah. If you come visit from outside, you can go there, take a few minute break, and you can pray for your loved one who you lost. That's why we feel it. The community seriously need a graveyard. What do you think? Yes. We need it. So, but it's not an easy job. It's 100 times more harder than build a mosque. Graveyard is a very tough job to establish the graveyard because a lot of environmental, a lot of issues from the government you need to take care of. It takes 5 years to take all the permission. Alhamdulillah, we got everything. We start the construction process. Hopefully, this month, we got a partial permit already. We have it already. Fencing permit we have in my hand. Remaining clean card and everything, we might be this month. We will get all the permission. So, inshallah, we're going to start work for fencing part very shortly. Within a week or two, we're going to start it. So, we encourage you, brothers, please send a message to other brothers who are not here. This is very important. You know, everybody have to go. There is no way to stay. So, if you go, if a loved one, beside all our Muslim brothers, Muslim culture, and loved one go outside and come back and pray over there, is close by, is very important for me, obviously for all of us. So we need to support and help for this regard. So for this specifically for graveyard, we call you brothers later on, inshallah, when we start the work, we make a gathering, then we can discuss each other how it's going to be. We don't have a concrete plan how the plot is going to be, how we'll handle it. But we let you know by your support and cooperation and your advice. So you can think about the graveyard part and give us advice, inshallah, we take it and we make a decision on that, then we can proceed on, inshallah. Dear brother and sister, I don't want to take along, already I take along. So I request our volunteer brother, go to 2 boxes, one fitra and zakat. Raise your hand if somebody not pay your fitra, you can pay now, and zakat also. So our volunteer brother, please go to the line. If you raise hand, then go, inshallah. Or you can go by the line. If anybody don't pay their fitra and zakat, please pay it before the prayer. It's mandatory. You have to pay the fitra before your prayer. Fitra is minimum $10, maximum whatever you can. Minimum $10 per person. Anybody? I get a couple minutes only. Anybody raise your hand? They don't pay the fitra. Brother, go back there. Somebody, brother, want to go. Raise your hand if you want to pay the fitra. Raise your hand, brother. This is separate fund. We need. This is separately maintain it and pay right away. Inshallah, we pay it off right away. As soon as you collect it, we try to pay it off. The poor people who are, qualify for the fitra. But today, tomorrow, we're going to pay it up, inshallah. Fitra, alhamdulillah. And now I request all the brothers and sisters, I request, today is the day of joys and also day of kindness and generous. We have after the prayer, we have we manage some toys. Who bring the kids, you can take the toys. Who don't bring the kids also, you can take the toys and back home with the toys for make it happy for your children. And we have some donut and something. Please enjoy these things. You know that we have a lot of limitation here because it's under construction and going on. We don't have enough support. Please take it easy, and if I make some mistake, please forgive us. Dear brothers, and now I request All the brothers, volunteer brothers, they come to you line by line. Please donate for the mosque as much as you can. I request all the volunteer brothers. Our mayor also here, alhamdulillah. Mayor Mani Small here. I'm hoping inshallah shortly he will address with you. Respected mayor, please come forward here. I request all the brothers, please volunteer brothers, go every line. We have a one box coming, everybody to you. Please join as much as you can, support under construction this masjid. Please support as much as you can. Please support as much, be generous and support us. সম্মানিত ভাইরা, আপনাদের কাছে মসজিদের বক্স নিয়ে আবেদন যাচ্ছে আপনাদের সামনে। প্রত্যেকটা লাইনে ভলান্টিয়ার ভাইরা যাচ্ছেন। আপনাদের যতটুকু পারেন, অনেক টাকা দিতে হবে, not necessary. Every penny is count. $1, $10, $100, $100,000, whatever you can. You know that we have almost $2 million our target. This budget is $2 million in this project. In the meantime, we almost finished 1 million. Have 50%, more than 50% work is almost done. Foundation and structure is done. We almost spent $950,000 here already, which is finished. We take a lot of donation and Qadri Hasana. Including Qadri Hasana and donation, we almost collect more than 250,000 more than already collected. So a lot of brothers come forward. You can donate now or you can donate anytime. Give us Qadri Hasana. When we collect you, we pay you back. সম্মানিত ভাইরা, আমরা এখানকার প্রায় $2 মিলিয়ন এই প্রজেক্ট আমাদের বাজেট। আমরা অলরেডি অর্ধেক কাজ শেষ করেছি, অলমোস্ট $950,000 কাজ ইতিমধ্যে শেষ হয়েছে। আরো আমাদের মোর দেন $1 মিলিয়ন আমাদের লাগবে। তা আপনাদের সাপোর্ট দরকার আমাদের। আজকে যতটুকু পারেন দিবেন ইনশাআল্লাহ। ভবিষ্যতে আপনাদের জন্য ওপেন থাকবে, কোনো জোরাজুরি কিছু নাই, অল্প দিলেও কোনো লজ্জার কিছু নাই, কোনো সংকোচের কিছু নাই। আপনারা অল্প পারেন, বেশি পারেন, যতটুকু পারেন হেল্প করলে এভরিথিং কাউন্ট, দেন ইজ দ্য বিগ নাম্বার। $1 করলে সবাই দিলে 1,000 দিলে 100,000 আমাদের হয়ে যাবে ইনশাআল্লাহ। তো এই জন্য আপনাদেরকে আমি বিনীত অনুরোধ করবো, আপনারা এখন পারেন, পরে পারেন, যদি আমাদেরকে হেল্প করেন। এবং এট দ্য সেম টাইম আপনাদের কর্জি হাসানা দিয়ে হেল্প করতে পারেন, লোন দিয়ে, ইসলামিক লোন দিয়ে। as soon as আমরা কালেকশন করে আপনাদের এটা পে করে দিব, তাতে আমরা অর্থনৈতিক সংকটে পড়বো না। তো বিনীতভাবে বাইরে অনুরোধ করছি, আপনারা আপনাদের সামনে বক্তব্য যাচ্ছে, আপনারা যতটুকু সম্ভব আমাদেরকে হেল্প করেন এবং মসজিদে ডোনেশন করেন। Dear brother and sister, we don't have no other collection box, only for the mosque. Only for the mosque. We have only one donation we collect, nothing for separate collection. Only one collection for the mosque. Please, brothers, donate generously as much as you can. Our volunteer brother come forward to you. We have only one donation, one collection, no more collection, inshallah, today. We always here, whoever you feel need to support, we need your support and help. Today I especially thanks our local government, our mayor here, our councilman here, all the time. Mayor is standby. If we call, he show up, he help us. I really respect, we have a lot of respect, a lot of love for him. We think he's the right person right now who serves us, our community, especially Muslim community. He's very kind and very soft for the Muslim community. I request all you brothers, please support him. And also, he's always with us. You see that he's standby here. Any other program you saw, always we call, he show up. And any problem we face, we address, he help us. Also, Brother Mushir here, I also thank him. He's our councilman, and he also help us a lot. So I request our respected mayor, for time short, I wish our councilman to talk something, but I request Brother Mushir, thank you for 1 minute.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is MD Hossain Mosher. This is my constituency, and I like to say Eid Mubarak, Happy Eid Mubarak. Thank you, Brother Iqbal.
Now I request our respected mayor, Mayor Mani Small. His name is small, but he's a big. You see the big guy here, and his work is big. So I request our respected Mayor Mani Small to say a few words and give you thank you. And from our community, for our effort, we give him thanks all the time. And he's very humble. He's always with us. I'm hoping in future also he always with us same way what was before. Mayor Mani Small, say something, please.
Assalamu alaikum, my Muslim brothers and sisters, and Eid Mubarak. And as we say here in the city of Atlantic City, it's a great day here in the city of Atlantic City. Can we say great day?
Yes.
Yes. I'm honored to be here before you as you celebrate the completion of your holy month. As you know, Ramadan is a month of faith, fasting, and forgiveness. And I want to congratulate each and every one of you on the success that you had last month. Me and my administration will continue to support the Islamic community and all of its endeavors. Again, Eid Mubarak, and it's a great day here in the city of Atlantic City. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Marty Small. Thank you, always good to us. Alhamdulillah, now we start the namaz, inshallah. So I request Hafiz Mirza Junaid Beg Azhari, he's going to lead today our Eid prayer, Eid Jamaat, inshallah. And you know that Mirza Beg, his father is very renowned. He was here like a couple weeks ago with us. And he always helps us, his father especially, you know, Mirza Beg. He's a khatib of Jamaica Muslim Center, and his beloved son. He also an Islamic scholar. I request Hafiz Mirza Junaid Beg Azhari to lead the salat. Alhamdulillah, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
অনেকদিন পরে এটা দিয়ে দিয়ে
Before we start, I would just like to share some instructions on how to pray the Eid Jamaat.
ওকে